Hi guys, I'm Aura, and today I want to show you that using Azure DevOps is easy. To begin with, first we need to search Azure DevOps on Google and click on the first link. Here we can click Start Free to start our free Azure DevOps account. If you don't have any Microsoft account, then you need to create one and log in. Since I'm already logged in, I can proceed with getting started with Azure DevOps. First, I need to give a name for my project. I name it Aura. It will be private, and we don't share any information with Microsoft, so we need to fill the CAPTCHA. And click Continue. As it loaded, we can see the summary screen. Here we need to go to repos and we will upload our example project here. To begin with, we will need an SSH key to authenticate through SSH. So we need a terminal. Use SSH keygen -t RSA. Then press enter, enter, and enter again. And now we have our SSH public and private keys. To add it to Azure DevOps, we need to cat its content. So use cat command and copy the file, paste it, and here is our SSH key. Copy it. Go back to here, click on user settings, SSH public keys, click new key, SSH key, just give it some name, and copy its content. Click add, and now we are done. We have our authentication now. So to add our current repository to this remote, we need to click SSH here, copy this command, we need our terminal, go to our project, paste the command, OK, copy the other command, paste. Yes. And now it's pushed. Okay, now if we click Files, we can see that our demo project is here with one file printing Hello World. Now we will need an agent to run this project. To install an agent on our computer, we need to click Project Settings, click Agent Pools here. Default pool will be okay for us right now. Click on New Agent. Agents can be installed to Windows, Linux, or Mac OS. Since I'm a Mac user, we will use this one. I already downloaded the agent, so don't need that one. Just copy the command, go back, creating a new folder and going inside it. Then we need to decompress the file. Now we will need to use developer mode to be able to proceed because of Mac security constraints. We need to use this spectral developer mode enable terminal command, and then go to settings. In settings, we need to use privacy and security, then developer tools, and we need to enable it for the terminal. Then we can close settings close terminal, open terminal again, cd myagent, and run config.sh. Okay, now just press enter, and we need to copy the server's URL. The server's URL is, in our case, this one. We need to paste it here, press enter, and we will use path as an authentication type, so just press enter, and we need to generate a token. To generate a path token, we need to click on settings, then personal access tokens, click new token, and now just give full access, name it token, and click create. This is our token. We need to copy it and save it somewhere because it will be not showed anywhere else. Paste it, enter. Agent pool, since we are using default, we can just press enter. Agent name, that will be okay right now. Work folder, it will be good as default. And we are done. Now we will need to use run.sh. And now we have our fresh agent up and running. It's listening for jobs. We can check our agent, go back, organization settings, agent pools, default, agents, and here is our agent. It's running. Okay, to test it, we need to go back to the main menu, select our project, go to pipelines, and we don't have any pipeline yet. So now we can create a pipeline. We will use Azure repos git since we have our project here. Click on our project. And we want to create a starter pipeline. That will be fine for us. And it created the Azure pipelines.yaml file. To be able to run the pipeline at the pool section, we need to name it default since we are using the default pool, and then click on run. Run again. And we can see that it's pending because it needs permission to run. We need to view it, click permit, permit, permission is granted, and now it's running. If we check the pipeline now, click here, and we can see that it succeeded. It did a checkout, it ran a one-line script, printing hello world, then ran a multiple-line script, ran what was in the pipeline. If we go back, click here, check the pipeline, we can see that there is a one-line script and then a multiple-line script. And this is how you run an Azure DevOps pipeline with a Mac-hosted agent. It was easy, wasn't it? I'm gonna show you how to do it on Linux also. I have an ARM-based Raspberry Pi, and I already downloaded the agent zip there. Here is my terminal with the Raspberry Pi. Create the agent folder here also. Then unzip it. It was a little bit slower since it's a Raspberry, but now we can run the config.sh, enter, we need the server URL again, as we already did in the other one. It's this one, paste it, enter, path token, OK. I create a new path token since I didn't save the last one. Create it, copy, close, and I save it now. Okay, just go back to the terminal, paste the token, it's connecting, default pool is okay, default agent name is fine, work folder fine, dot slash run.sh. Our second agent is up and running. Okay. Go back and check it. In the project settings, agent pools, default, we can see that both of our agents are running. I just stop my previous one now, and it's offline. Now go back to pipeline, click on our pipeline, run it, click run, it's in the queue. It will be a little bit slower since it's a slower computer, just a Raspberry, but it will do its job. We can see that the job is running. Starting. It's checking out. Runs the one-line script, run the multiple-line script, does the post-job step, finalizing, and we are done. It was successful. It was easy, wasn't it? Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this kind of content, and check back later because I'm gonna upload new videos soon. Also check my website aronmircea.com where I have my blog. And do not forget to stay safe online. See you next time.